A lot of men believe that they can't get jacked if they don't have access to a gym, and this is far from the truth. If your goals are to look like a big, shredded bodybuilder, then yes, you need the gym. But if your goals is to look aesthetic and to get jacked, you can do all of that with just calisthenics. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 exercises you can do at home, how to progress on them from beginner all the way to advanced, and why it's important to do these exercises. And the third exercise is the most important one to looking aesthetic, so make sure you stick around to the end. First is push-ups. You can build a great chest and set of arms just doing push-ups. And plus, you don't want to be one of those guys that can bench 315, but then you can barely bust out 30 push-ups. And a good standard for all men is to be able to do 50 push-ups in a row. Now here's the progression. I'm gonna give you a very simple rule. If you can do 20 reps at any given level, that means that it's time to level up. For beginners, we're gonna start with knee push-ups, and then we're gonna advance to halfway down push-ups, and finally, we're gonna get to chest to floor push-ups. And once you can do 20 chest to floor push-ups, we're gonna have 2 alternatives. The first one is you can start doing push-up claps, and the second one is you can do deficit push-ups. And once you can do 20 reps doing those, now we can go to extreme deficit push-ups or behind the back push-up claps. And the final variation, this is literally where there is no limit. You can do weighted deficit push-ups. Now I do want to touch base and go back here. Be careful with the push-up claps if you have joint issues, because those are pretty high impact exercises. So if you got bad elbows, bad wrists, bad shoulders, then I don't recommend the push-up clap variations. It's a lot better just to stick with the deficit push-ups. And also, once you can do about 20 deficit push-ups, now you'll be able to start doing dips, which is another great push variation. The second exercise is the one that most guys neglect, and it's gonna be squats. And the progression is the same. Once you can do 20 reps, then you can level up. For beginners, we're gonna be doing squats with a chair. This is where you simply sit down on the chair and then you stand back up. This is the most simplest way to squat. After this, we're gonna transition into body weight squats. And the goal here is make sure that you do get parallel or below. And after you can do 20 body weight squats pretty easily, we're gonna go into the Bulgarian split squats. This is where things are gonna get real. Your goal is to make sure that you can get up to 20 per leg, and once you get there, you can slowly start to add weight. You can use a weighted vest or a weighted backpack. Just make sure that you are progressing, because legs is where we can really push hard. Which reminds me, a little disclaimer. For your legs, if you're doing just calisthenics, you might not get to your full potential just doing body weight movements. This is where having weights is beneficial, because our legs are just so much more powerful than our upper body. But doing the split squats, it should take you pretty far. You being able to do 20 reps with over 50 pounds is more than enough. This last exercise is my favorite, and it's also the most important one to looking aesthetic. And it's the pull-up or chin-up. This is how you build that V taper and those wide lats. And the progression on this will be different from the push-ups and the squats. For pull-ups, we have to work on strength first. So our rule here is aim for 5 reps. When you can do 5 reps, that's when you move on to the next level. Level 1 is band-assisted pull-ups. And you're gonna keep moving on from the bands until you can do 5 reps with the easiest one. When you get there, you should be able to do 1 to 3 pull-ups with a little bit of a jump and a little bit of a kick. And once you can do 5 pulls with a little bit of swing, that's when you start working on more strict pull-ups. We're gonna take away that momentum and make sure we do it all without the body English. And once you can do strict pull-ups, now we have a different goal. Our goal is not 5 anymore. Our goal is to start working up until you get to 20 reps. And once you can do 20 pull-ups, we're gonna go to level 2. We're gonna start doing chest to bar pull-ups. The ultimate goal here is to do 20 of those. And 99% of the men who go to the gym, they can't do that. Oh, and also, little bonus tip. If you have a way to do inverted rows at home, also do those too. And that's the top 3 exercises you can do at home. When you progress on them and you can do 100 push-ups and 20 pull-ups in a row, I assure you that you will be jacked and you will look aesthetic. And by the way, comment down below where you currently are in your pull-up and push-up game. I'm super curious. I'll put it down below where I'm at currently as well. And if you're interested in a routine that you can do at home in 10 minutes, I'll put that video right here so you can watch that next. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.